Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and safe in your home. Okay student, today I am going to explain new topic, that is sound and animations in PowerPoint. Do you know children what is PowerPoint? First of all, you know what is PowerPoint. Before the lesson we have to go. First of all, you must know what is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a package software. PowerPoint is a package software. It is used to create designing electrical presentations. Electrical presentations to consist the series of page slides and animations. So it is to creating a electronic presentations, that is the PowerPoint, to give the it is depending upon to the slides and animations. Okay, this is the PowerPoint. First of all, look at this, all of you. This is the PowerPoint screen. All of you look at this one. This is the PowerPoint screen. What is the use of PowerPoint? Means to create a electronic presentations. To create a electronic presentations, it is series of like slides and animations. In this you can do in this PowerPoint. Now look at this one, all of you. PowerPoint screen, all of you, top of the bottom, everyone. Look at all of you, top of the bottom in applications everywhere, that is the title bar. On the title bar right side, what is that? Close button, maximize button, minimize button, and this is the three options of in title bar. And next left side of the title bar we have to say means quick access toolbar. It is representing in the title bar. And below the title bar, what is that? That is the menu bar. Below the menu bar, what is that? Ribbon. Below the ribbon means slide rules. Look at all of this one, slide rules. And below the slide rules, what is that? Working area or presentation area or slide areas. These are the slides. Keep mind one thing, all of you children. In MS Word we have to say means the working area is a plain. And next Excel sheet we have to look at the Excel working area means it looks like a worksheet, like rows and columns are there. But in this PowerPoint we have to say this is the slides. What is this? Slides area. It is depending upon to creating the presentations, these slides only. This is the PowerPoint screen. Okay, in this PowerPoint screen some changes are there in menu bar. All of you look at this menu bar. In this menu bar, how many tabs are there? Home tab, insert tab, next review tab, view tab, transitions tab, next animations tab, design tabs. These are the 7 tabs are available in this PowerPoint. 3 are the different are there, that is transitions, designs and animations. These are the depending upon what we are doing the presentation, these 3 tabs only we are using in this PowerPoint mainly. Okay. In animation tab means we have to do these animations to give the movement of pictures. And next slides we are using 2 slides to do the animations. And next designs to create a most effectively way in this animations, photos or videos. This is the PowerPoint. Okay. Now in this PowerPoint, how to give the sounds in animations. How to give the sounds in animations like audio or video. Either audio or either video. We have to give the sounds in animations. How to give the sounds in animations? Look at all of you. How to give the inserting of audio, sounds and animations in PowerPoint. First of all, to add a audio of animation means first of all go to the first of all insert tab, then go to the insert tab. You have to click means you can go to the right side of the ribbon. You can choose the media group. On that media group you can click to the drop down arrow. Some 3 options are available, that is the audio from file or clip art from audio or record audios. These 3 types of audios options are available in this media group options. So where you want audio from files means you can take audios, or otherwise clip art audios you want means you can take clip art audios, or otherwise you recorded one audio, you can save it in the system means you can take the recorded audio where you want or which you want. These 3 types of audios you can choose and select the audio. If you can select the audio means select the audio once a sound icon is added to the slides. You can drag it the place the slides wherever you wish. Like wherever you wish, you can preview the music by clicking on the play button. Format of play tabs appears under the audio tools. So the playback tabs has a various options to format the audio that you have added to your presentation. So you can see the means sound icons means like pause, play or stop, stop or start options are there now, forward or backward. Like these options are available once you click the audio means like these options are available. And next one is audio options group. Audio options group means what? On that audio options group you have to say means volume, start, loop until stop, hide during show, rewind after playing. Rewind after playing means value means volume means you can see we can set the volume of audio. In these options audio options, these are the audio options. Once you can select the audio, these are the options like volume, start, loop until stop, hide during shows, rewind it after playing. Volume means you can set the volume. Start means you want to start or you want to play automatically, click it there. Loop until stop means check the loop until stopped if your audio is a shorter duration. If your audio is a short, so then your representation, this will be repeated audio until you stop the presentations. If your audio is a small, again repeated will come to the presentations. When you stop the presentation, it will be automatically stop, otherwise it will come to the repeatedly. If your audio is a shorter means it will come to repeatedly, or otherwise it will not come. Okay. And next one, hide during show means if you want to the icon of hidden during the presentations, click to the checkbox of hidden during show to select it. Okay. Next, rewind after playing means this will rewind the audio to be beginning. These are the audio options group. And next, how to editing the group of audios means trimming audio, start or ending of the point, fade in or fade out options, and then the clip at the lower volume. So these are the editing groups are in this audio options. Trim audio means how much you want the audio, you can trim it. Trim means how much you want, you can drag it, and you can drag it, and remaining you can cut it. That is the trim options. And next, preview group. Click to the play button and you can preview group means already you have to open the group, that is the preview group. You can play buttons, you can listen how the audio will be actually play. This all the settings over. After you can go to the preview options. On the preview option you have to choose the play button option. Once check the audio is perfect or not, then it will be actually playing or not. You can look at this preview group. These are the options to adding the audio in PowerPoint. And next one is how to create a audio, like that only how to inserting a video also. How to inserting a video. Inserting a video also, you can insert it in a presentation similarly manner like a audio also. Similar manner also like audio, how it will be like 3 options in this video also. 3 options are there. Go to the first of all insert tab, then choose the media group. On that media group, go to the insert tab, you can choose the media group. On that media group you can choose the video. Before the audio you can choose the before the video. You can choose in this video also, like that only similar manner of audio, like video from files means audio from files, video from websites or clip art videos. These are the videos of in these 3 options. In these 3 options where you want the which you want the video, you can take in this 3 options group. You can choose this options and you can inserting of this videos in the displaying of the screen. Play full screen means you can select the checkout of the play full screen. The video will open the complete screen. So you can drag it how much you want the video. You can drag it and you can save the video also. These are the inserting videos and inserting the audios of sound and animations in PowerPoint. Okay, student? Okay, student, are you understand? These are the some part of sounds and animation, that is inserting audio and inserting video. Now today I am discussing these two topics. Okay, student? Thank you.